Hello to all the viewers of Hrvatska Pjesma for Origin. I'm your host Ado and I'll be hosting this edition. And they want to
I don't really know what happened. On my earphone they're saying that a Polish citizen hacked our system and deleted Adu's involvement in this show, leaving a note saying, "That's what you get for not having me as a jury, bitches. So now you have me instead." Welcome to the final of Hrvatska Pjesma Za Origin 03. Tonight we'll find out who will be Eni's successor and will represent Croatia in the 8th edition of the Origin Song Contest, held in Brussels. We will visit our 10 international jury to get their points, and then we'll add to those the points awarded by the televote. Let's start with the Origin 07 Grand Final opener, Turkey. Hello there.
Bok Hrvatska, Istanbul calling. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much for putting out a super high quality show. I have listened to all of the entries, and I can say any of them would be a worthy representative of your wonderful country in the Origin Song Contest, so good luck to everyone. Here are the results of the Turkish vote. Our 12 points goes to Daleko.
Moving now to the other side of Europe. Hello Andorra.
Hello Croatia, here's Andorra calling. We want to thank you for the amazing work done on this national selection. Patriotic Croatians, don't get us wrong, but English songs were much better than the ones in Croatian. And once said that we're proud to announce that our 12 points go to Hurricane. Congratulations bitch. Hurricane,
And now we have a very familiar face. Latvia, may we have your points?
Good evening. After being rescued by my 3 fans who bought my merch, I'm back in Latvia. #woohoo. This was an incredible final. Thank you Croatia for delivering amazing show once again. #nice. Our 12 points are going to song 1. Reachin' for the stars. #congrats. Wait. Never mind. It's our last place, not first. #mess. Our actual 12 points are going to song 9. Daleko. Congratulations and best of luck in Belgium.
Alright, we can move on and travel to Ukraine. Hello.
Good evening Croatia, this is Ukraine calling. I'm Tina Carroll and I hope you can show me your love, show me how much you care, and then you can talk to my heart and whisper my name. Thank you for making us a part of your selection process. It's an honor for me to stand here and present the votes of the Ukrainian jury. Anyways, here are our points. Our 8 points go to song number 9 Daleko. Next up we have our 10 points for song 7 Najbolji. And last but not least we have 12 points for song number 12 Raku. Congratulations and good night.
And I thought we can't get any further to the east. Hello Azerbaijan.
Good evening Croatia, thank you very much for the great show you have given us. The quality of songs is stunning, and the jury has enjoyed every performance. Even though it's almost midnight here in Azerbaijan, the songs were so boppy nobody managed to fall asleep while listening to them. Anyways, our jury members have made a final decision on their top 10 songs. And Azerbaijan has decided to give the final 12 points to Daleko. Thank you again and best of luck.
We're halfway through, going now to the Czech Republic.
I'm not sure what a superstar and such an amazing singer like me is doing in this third category Balkan country, but anyway, good evening Croatia. I'm the true winner of song for the Origin 02, Diana Kalashova. I have no pleasure in announcing the Czech votes here because I'm the best and I only deserve the best. If I say I didn't like any song I would lie, cause all of the songs were horrendous. I only like my songs cause they are the best.
Stupid bitch, I hate her. I guess beating the ever-living fuck out of her in song for the Origin was not enough. Anyway, this show was amazing, but due to this incident we're running out of time, so I'll have to quickly announce the check 12 points, which go to In the Dark. They are for Nika Turkovic. Congratulations and good luck. Oh, and don't listen to Diana, she's a fucking delulu who should choke.
Well, that was something. Anyway, we're moving on to Lithuania.
Good evening, Croatia. This is Lithuania calling. Thank you for this spectacular show. The diversity is amazing and I am more than sure that Croatia is ready to snap in the actual contest after their win the second chance round. Anyway, you can see the first scores from the Lithuanian jury in your screen. Let's see our top 3. 8 points are going to a Balkan bop that the Lithuanian jury seemed to love, Daleko. Just missing the top point, which means 10 points are for. Well, 10 points won't probably help you to reach the stars, but we give it to you. Reachin' for the stars. And finally 12 points from the Lithuanian jury are going to, you know, when Lithuanians party, they bop hard. Who else bops hard? Shunnan. Congratulations.
Now heading to another new guest in the selection. Good evening, Monaco.
Bonsoir Croatia, Monaco calling. We were really surprised by the amount of amazing ACTS in your national finale. You can be proud of yourselves. Pour high score, les 12 points vont à go to. Song numéro 11, Feeling.
Waking up for the feeling, I'm waking up for the feeling again.
Next is a country that returning to the contest this edition. Hello Slovenia.
Hi, my name is Daniela, I am coming from Slovenia, and today, I am here to announce the points of the Slovenian jury for the Croatian national selection for the 8th edition of the Origin Song Contest. Good luck everyone. Our 12 points go to song 8, Feel IT.
You gotta feel it in your feet, my heart is giving you the beat. You can lead, I'll follow, without you I'm hollow, gotta feel it.
And last but not least, we're finishing close to home. Hello Eni.
Oh my god guys, I'm so excited to be here once again. I'm really happy I'm not one of these contestants because this selection is so great and our home panel had really hard time ranking the songs. My experience in Minsk was amazing and I wish the best of luck to whoever will be chosen tonight. Personally, I'd have preferred to remain the best Croatian placement in the Origin Song Contest, but I guess for the good of Croatia I hope the winner tonight will break my record. Well, enough with the talking. The Croatian jury chose to give its 12 points to Song 8, Feel It.
Let's get addicted to this beat. I keep my arms wide open, I put all my hope in you.
And that finishes up the voting of the juries. Currently in the first place we have Petra Orek with her song Daleko, followed by Nika Turkovic and the song U Maraku, and closing up the top 3 is the Seeds with their song Feeling. But we still have to add the televoting results which can change everything. But before that, of course celebrating our Croatian music is great and all, but we're looking for the best representative on an international contest. Let's check out our What Are We Up Against?
I
palaa valo, joka ei koskaan sammu. Täällä palaa valo, jonka on päälle saanut. Ihan sama missä osaat aina navigoida takas, kun otat tän sun majakaks. Täällä palaa valo, joka ei
step by step by step. There's no step by step by step. There's no swallows up the colors. Everything is the same shit. I am waiting. Stop painting. I am waiting for the storm.
sail down the river to be safely delivered. Oh, standing on the banks of forever, just one last time together. Oh, you'll be listening to a symphony for you.
Now comes the thrilling part. Let's find out who will be the fourth Croatian representative in the Origin Song Contest. On the 12th place with 41 points we have song number 1, Reachin' for the Stars. Next up with 45 points it is song 3, Hurricane. Opening the top 10 with 46 points is song number 6, Shunnin'. On the 9th place with 47 points is song number 2, Pozlić Kais. One more set of 47 points goes to song number 7, Naje Bolji. And the last 47 points goes to song number 9, Daleko. Will Petra Orek be able to hold on to her leading? Finally moving up to 48 points and the 6th place goes to song number 4, Puppets. I swear this is the last tie for tonight. 48 points goes to song 5, La La La. Finally crossing the 50 points mark, 51 points goes to song number 10, EWO. So now we have 3 songs left. You Maracu, Feeling and Feel It. Will one of them will be able to dethrone Dalico and take the first place? $52 points and the third place go to song number 12, You Maracu, which is taking the lead. We're going up to 53 points, and the second place. We have song number 11, Feeling. This means that song number 8, Feel It, won the televote. Can it take the first place from You Maracu and go to Belgium? Feel It gets from the televote. $55 points, which is not enough to pass You Maracu, and that means we have our winner, Nika Turkovic with her song You Maracu. Thank you all for being here tonight. Before we'll say goodbye until the next edition, let's hear Nika's song one more time before she's starting her preparations for the Origin Song Contest in Belgium.
Ti si moj put, vodi me tamo gdje nas više nema.